Hello dear students of class 5. Hope you all are well. I am your maths teacher Nazia Altaf. I welcome you to the second online class. Today our topic is addition and subtraction. This is part 1. In this lesson I will explain about addition, and which is in your book on pages 6. Okay. Addition and subtraction. We always start addition or subtraction from ones place. Do you know what is ones place? Here there are 3-digit values, and on the right side these are the ones place. So it means we start addition and subtraction from this place, and this is ones place. We write the numbers from the right side, from the left side, but when we do addition we start from here. Okay. Number up to 8 digits or more. You can see over here there is a table, and this is a place value table. There are different place values which we will start from the right side. O stands for ones, T for tens, H for 100, TH for 1000, here capital T and then TH. This T stands for tens and this is for thousand, so it is 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and what comes after that? There would be 100 millions and then billions. You know all that because in the previous class you have learned all these things. So next, how place value changes. I hope you all studied about these things, but we can revise it so that it would be easy for you to solve the sums. So depending on what place the 2 holds, its value changes. You can see over here there is 2. This is just 1-digit value, only 2 is here. This is just 1-digit value, 2. So you can see if this is 1-digit value, then only ones place is there, and that is ones place. That means 2 is at ones place. Then 23. Now 23. You put 3 on the right side. On the right side. You put 3 on the right side. If you put 3 on the right side, 2 will move from ones to tens place. Can you see over here? First you have seen that 2 was at this place. If you put a straight line, you can see that 2 was at this place. But when you put 3, 2 will move. 2 will move from this place to one place forward, and that is going on the left side. And when you put any number on right side, any digit on right side, the digit which was at this place will move towards left. One place move towards left. Now you can see over here the place value of 2 will be changed. First it was ones, now it is tens. So you have changed the value. It was 2, now it becomes 20. In the next, you can see we added 6 on the right side, and 2 and 3 both moves one place towards left. So 6 is over here. Then first you can see that at this place, there was 3. Now 3 moves and similarly 2 also moves, and there will be 6, 3 and 2, and here the place value of 2 become from tens place it becomes hundreds. You can see over here what is the place value of 2, that is 100. So here there are 2 zeros. We will not consider these two numbers because we are just observing this 2, we are just considering this 2, place value of 2. Okay, now 200, this is the place value of 2. Further you increase the number. As you increase the number, 2 will move towards the left side, but you remember this thing, you increase the number or you add the number on the right side, and the value, the place value will move towards the left side. So here you can see there are 3 numbers and 2 will move at the 4th place. So that's why its value become 2000s. In the same way, next, that is you put 9 and 2 will move towards the left side, it becomes 2 10,000s. Then again when you add some other number on the right side, 2 will move towards the left side, and it is moving towards the left side. First it was here, then 1 place toward left, then 2 places towards left, and 3 places towards left. So further it is going towards left, you are adding the numbers on the right side and it is going towards the left side. So here the value of the 2 is, or the place value of 2 is 200,000s. Okay my dear students, I hope you understood it well. Next, addition. Addition is quite easy thing. You are doing addition from class 2 or 1 maybe. So this is a very easy. You do addition in your daily life. When your mother gave you some pocket money and your father gave you some more money, then you add them. You know addition. You add your pencils, you add your money, you add your toys, you can add anything. Okay my dear students, here is an activity for you which I have taken from your book. You can see over here, these are 2 values which are added. The answer is given, but there are 3 circles. You can see these are blank circles. Now very easy activity, you can do yourself. Okay, first you take a copy and just copy this question from here and write the answers. When I explain, after that I will show you the answers and you can match your answers with mine. Okay, so there is 3 and 2. When you add 3 into 2, you get 5. When you add 1 into which number, then you get 3. You have to write the number which comes in this place. So here there is 6 and here is 1. You have to put a number over here. What comes over here? Just copy it and write it in your copy, and then write it in your notebook or paper, and then I will show you the answers. Okay, here is 5 and 3. The answer is 8. 4 and blank circle. You have to write the number over here, and here will be 8. So what comes over here? Then 6 plus 3 becomes 9. Okay, have you written the numbers? Ready? I am showing you the answers. You can match your answers with mine. Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So in the first circle there will be 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. In the second circle there is 5. I have written these numbers in red color. You can see the numbers 5 and 3 8, 4 and 4 8, 6 and 3 9. I hope you all have written correctly, very nicely, very good. I know my students are very intelligent. Okay, my dear students, I have taken these two sums from exercise number 1.2 in your book on page number 6. Solve these two questions or these two sums. Okay, first of all, there are place values. You always write the numbers according to their place values. So 9 should be at ones place, 6 is the second number, you can write in the tens place, then 8 on the hundreds place, 1 thousands place, 9 at 10,000s place, 4 at 100,000 place, 5 on millions. In the same way, here is, and these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. These are 7-digit values. If you have to add 7-digit value into 6-digit value, then in the same way you will write the numbers from ones place, not from here. You cannot write 6 over here because these are 6-digit value, and you will start from right side, from ones place. Always write the numbers from right side or ones place value. So as you can see that 9 was from 9 was the ones place value, so you have to write 4 below the 9 because 4 is also ones place value. Then below 6 there will be 0, then below 8 there will be 3, below 1 there will be 5, below 9 there will be 0, below 4 there will be 6. So you always have to write the numbers correctly according to their place values. So my dear students, as you can see over here, there are 6-digit values. So for 6-digit value we will just have 6 place values, and 6 place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and you have to write accordingly according to their place values. Now we have to add them. Now my dear students, copy these questions, copy these sums and try to solve these sums on your copy or your paper, and then I will show you the answers. I know my students are very intelligent. They know when 2 is added to 0, what comes over here, 9 added to 1, what comes over here, then 4 plus 3. You have to solve it. Okay, I'm showing you the answers. Okay, my dear students, here are the answers. You can see 9 plus 4, when you add 9 into 4, it becomes 13. And you know that 13 is 2-digit value. So we will put 3 over here, ones place should be here, and tens place value will move on the upside of the second value. So 1 and 3, 13. 1 will move here, and then it is added to the next value. Now 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 3 is 11. In 11 there are 2 digits. Ones place value is 1. You will write 1 over here, and the next one will go to the next value. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. Here is just 1-digit value, that's why we will write 7 over here. There is no carry. So 9 plus 0 is 9, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. So in 10 there are again 2 digits, so we will put 0 over here, and 10 will be carried to 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. You can match this answer to your copy answers. So you can, now in this question 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 will be here, 1 is carried, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 8 is 11. In 11 there are again two digits, so 1 will be here and 1 will be moved further and it is carried. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8. Now 7 plus 9 is 9. Here are two examples which I have taken from your book. First one is add 359990. How will you read it? You will read it like, first you can see over here, this is ones place value, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So you will read it in the form 359,000s. This is 359,000s and comma will separate and 990. Read it again, 359,000s and 990. Now this, add this value to this value. Now read it with me, 406,000s and 780. Write the numbers according to place values. In the questions, the numbers are written in this form. You have to write these numbers in the vertical form. In the vertical form means you have to write the numbers according to their place values. You can, if you feel any problem or difficulty, you can write the place values. First you can write the table of place values, then you can write the numbers below that values. So ones place, at below the ones place there is 0. We are writing this value. Below the ones place there is 0, then 9, then 9, again 9, 10,000th value 5, 100,000th value 3. In the same way we will write these values. We will always write from right side, 0, 8, 7, 6, 0 and 4. But when you read it, you will start from this side, but when you are writing, you will write from this side. Okay, now we have to add them. 0 plus 0 is, you know, everyone knows this, so this is 0. 9 plus 8 is 17. If it is 17, it means 7 will come here and 1 will move further on the 9. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. Next value, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Again 17. You have to write 7 over here and 9 will move forward and it will be here and carried to 9. Now 9 plus 1 is 10 and plus 6, 16. Again we have two digit value, 6 will be here and 1 will be carried by 5. 5 will carry it and it becomes 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. Second example, how many digits are there? There are 7 digit value. Add this value and that value, and here there are 6 digit values. So this sum resembles to the sum which I have explained earlier. There were also 7 digit value and 6 digit values. You know how to write them according to their place values. If you feel any difficulty, you write the place values. You can write the place value chart, then you can write the values below that chart. Okay, at ones place value we are writing this value, this 7-digit value. And how to read it? First, you can if you don't know how to read from here, just count the place values from here. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000s, and then millions. So it means it is 5,389,624. Okay, my dear students, you have to write it according to their place values. 4, 2, 6, 9, 8, 3, 5. Then these are 6-digit values. How to read it? Read with me. 930,000 and 157. So write these values according to the place values. We will not write from this side. Remember this thing. I told you again and again that you always start from ones place. You always start writing the number from this side. So write 7, then 5, then 1, then 0, then 3, and then 9. If they are 6-digit value, then this place will be vacant. This is a blank place. We don't have digit for this place. We cannot write the number from here. We will always write from this side. Okay, my dear students, now add them. 4 plus 7 is 11. If it is 11, it means 2-digit value. 1 will be carried and 2 is carrying it. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1-digit value, so there is no carry. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. Again 2-digit value, and 1 will be here, and 1 will be carried by 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. And it is again 2-digit value. We have to write 3 over here because 3 is ones place value, and 1 will move towards 5. 5 will carry it, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Word problems on addition. This is on page number 15. Example is written over here. Najib spends 438,900 rupees on buying a house and 358,400 on buying a car. How much did he spend in all? Did you understand this statement? Najib is a person who is buying a house and a car. So he is spending this much money for buying his house and this much money for buying his car. So my dear students, how much, if these two words how much comes in your sum or question, it means you have to add them. How much means you have to add them. So you can see that how much did he spend in all. What you have to do it on this, in this sum you have to add them. Amount spent on house. First you will write the amount spent on house, that is 438,900 rupees. Write this value. Then amount spent on car, you have to write the amount spent on car, and you will write this value below that value. As you can see, both the values are of same digit values, 6-digit values, so you can easily write them according to their place values. First of all, 009834, then below that value 004853. Now you have to find the total amount he is spending on buying both these things, car and a house. So now add them. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 will be carried, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 is carried, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, nothing is carried, 4 plus 3 is 7. Hence Najib spent how much money? You have to write it in the form of rupees. Write from this side. Always write from this side. 003797. But read from this side. Now 797,300 rupees. Okay, my dear students, this is your homework. Exercise number 1.2, page number 6. First part A. You have to solve 3 parts, 3 sums, 3, 7 and 11. Open the books. You can see the sums over here, over there. Then B part, you have to solve 3 and 5. And from exercise number 1.6 there are word problems, and I have taken just one question from that exercise because this one sum is related to the addition, and you have to solve question number 1. You have to solve all these sums on a full-scape sheet, punch it in a file and submit it in the office at 9 to 11 a.m. every Saturday. And remember one thing, my dear students, you have to practice the remaining questions at home so that you will be prepared for your examination. Okay, my dear students, signing off today. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself.